Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on location or position. In kindergarten, students need to know about the idea of location. In simple terms, location refers to the position of an object in relation to another object. Let's look at this example here. In the picture to the left, we will look at the location or position of the boy in relation to different objects. The boy is sitting under the tree. The boy is sitting on the grass. The boy is sitting near the tree. The words under, on and near are words that describe location and position, and this has to be made very clear to kindergarten students. Some other words that describe location or position are these ones here, and you'll be able to give many examples to illustrate and show how these words are used, and there are many more. Here's a simple example. The position of the following objects can be described from our point of view. That is, assume we are looking at the computer screen. The plant is in the pot. In is the position word. The pot plant is on the desk. On is the position word. The screen is near the plant. Near is the position word. And the carpet is under the table. So you would discuss that with students, and they might also add a few other things as well. Here's another example of some good position words, and it's telling us about the position of the ball in relation to the bench, the stool, the swing again, the ball in relation to the bottles, and the ball in relation to the stool. And you can see all the position words above, over, on, off, between, and under. And this can be discussed with students. Grids. We can also use grids to describe the position or location of one object in relation to one or more other objects. Assume we are looking at the grid on the computer screen. We can now describe the position from our point of view. So here we've got 6 examples describing the position of different objects in relation to each other, and you can go through these slowly with students and they can add their own version and give you their own opinions. But it's very important to mention these position words here that are highlighted, and that one there is below, of course. That's the important position word there. Remembering that kindergarten students love to colour in and draw, we can give them exercises similar to the following. The nature of the exercises are limited by your imagination. So here's a simple table, and there are some objects here in relation to the table. We can ask the students such questions as, colour the object under the table blue. There's the position word. Colour the object on the table red. Colour the object to the right of the table pink. Draw another object on the table and colour it brown. Draw another object to the left of the table and colour it orange. Draw another object under the table and near the ball. Colour this object green. So these are exercises that students will enjoy, and it'll give them a good understanding of position and location.